Ayan nga, sa ano, sa maano, sa...
Hindi nang bakang nga po. Bayad na naman yan.
Oo. Another bayad sa photo booth. Oo. Just in case, hindi tayo marunong lumangoy.
Very deep, very deep. The deepest place of this lake, about 120. This lake as long as 2.5 kilometers, and the water come from the rain, come from the spring, and it's very clean. This lake. Okay, yes, from the desert. It's a camel. Camel. The
Ah.
head is on the right side. Small head. And its body looks like a camel walking in the forest.
Galing ah. Parang galit ka. Galit ka ta. Hey! Singkong daw. Kanta na naman yan. Yung nagdadaan na isa.
Okay, sit down please. What's your way is saying hello.
What the meaning of go away?
There are 3 meanings. 3 meanings. 3 kinds of meaning of the your way. One is 猪八戒，猪八戒，猪八戒。Okay, Alan.
Kanta na daw.
In front of us.
Alan,
That's why it's
Kanta na daw.
car.
Music together.
Yay!
That's it. Beautiful.
Hello dyan! Mamaya mag-proceed kayo dyan. Ito yung natin.
Send meet tayo pag uwi.
On the left hand, there's a bridge, a small bridge between 2 mountains. Yeah. That's the love bridge of Dangja people. Love bridge. And the march, the 3rd day of the march is the lovers' day. Dangja people, they sing song on the bridge with each other. It's a pillar. It's a beautiful girl. It's a beautiful girl's face. Her body is down the water. It's sexy. And his hairstyle is very high. Spend their winter time. While
Uy, ano yan? Tilapia? Shh. Saba. Tuhulog ka ganit dyan.
Giant salamander.
Salamander. Itong salamander.
Very old animal. The oldest one here, in here. 130 years old. 130 years old.
Parang bututi.
Salamander daw. Salamander.
Buhay mo yan?
Oh, huge.
Ano, buntot?
2 meters long. 130 years old.
Oh!
130 years old.
Wow. Itong hotel namin yan. Ito ay nice. May sleeper. Malaki. Okay. Wow. Ganda naman yan. Ay. Oh. Hindi kaya. Tipat. Wow! Ang ganda! Kitang-kita ka naman dito, ay. So, ganyan lang talaga yan. Walang ilaw. Let's turn on the light. Ano pala yun? Okay. Tapos ito ay... Saan ang ilaw dito? Ito. Mirror. Light. Fan. Mirror, fan. Wow. So, kanina pinindot ko to. So, bumaba siya. Ano to? Tools? Okay. Hair dryer. Sosyal. Okay. May shield. Isa lang talagang sabon. Di ba pwedeng dalawa siya, men? This is from Shannon Air. Kapag connecting flight, merong free hotel ata. Wow, pool. Sharon! Ito ang CR na may telepono. Wow, kasi na-stuck ka. Sharon! Oh! Baka nakikita. Oh, nakikita man. Okay, my hat. Nice. Uy, meron pa ano, Noy, kung gusto mo maglaba. Shook. Ay. Nice, nice, nice. Ay, sorry. Okay. Ang taba ko kasi naka 5 layer. Ay, may timbangan. Okay, check natin ang timbang ko. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, OA. OA. Malak. Ah. Di ba buksan? Wow. Look at the view outside. Or ako nakikita niya. Oh. Automatic din siya. Pag ganyan, katulad dun sa isa natin. So, patayin muna natin ang pati ang fan. Okay na yung mirror. Wow. Ganda. I love it. I love it. Ganda ng pa-carpet. Ano to? So, kung gusto kong tanggalin, pwede. No? Oo, pwede tanggalin ka. May ano man. May ano yan? Ito. Zipper. What's this? Mahiwagang remote. Pato ka lang ilaw. Let's turn on the light. Ah, table light. Room. Pati corridor. Ay, sorry. Pag night. Reading. Ah, kay Nonoy. Okay. Ah, wala ko natindihan. So, ito yung ano nila. Nakikita. Uy, daming tubig. Bar light. Ah, ito. Ayan. Tapos, this light. Ah, amazing. Ang daming pailaw. Ano natin? Ayan. Para na. Balik tayo dito. May palibreng. Ganda naman. Oh! Meron silang, ano yan? Steamer. Okay. And here ay tayo yung mga chismosa. Okay. Yan na yun. Yan siya. May ano dito? May sleeper. Ay. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.